you want. Oh, hi guys, so today I'm the fairy and my name is Honey because I'm yellow like honey. Like the bees make honey, like I'm yellow like honey. And today I'm going to give you another review of my another creation. And before that, before I show you my flower costume or any kind of costume, any kind of costume. At first, I'm going to give you a review of this flower costume. Fairy costume. I got confused a bit. Sure, you don't get confused today. Let's get. So first, I'm going to show you my wings. Look at my beautiful wings. I have the butterfly wings here. I have the googly eyes, and the wings are yellow with beautiful fabric. I like this kind of fabric, and it has so many flowers, and it's all yellow. And it also has some elastics here that I have put on. And I'm going to show you my wand. Look at my wand. It has a butterfly on the top. It is the magic part. It had some this sparkly hair kind of thing. So when we wiggle the wand, it looks like there's actually magic coming up. And it also has some golden wrapping all around the stick, so it don't look disgusting. And it's really nice. I like the sparkly metal thing. And it's so nice. It has a butterfly. And I'm going to give you a review of my dress too. And it has my dress is all yellow, and it has a beautiful yellow band here. It's actually made out of fabric, and it has a fabric piece here which has a little bit of cloth and a beautiful bead like this one. Hey, and it has a beautiful flower pattern and these. It looks so fantastic with these flowers on my wings. And my bracelets are made out of beads too. White bead, and it has a clear bead. It's hard to show. And it has a clear orange or peach bead here. And it has a heart here which has rhinestones. Look. And this one is the same. And now we can start with the costume. I can't tell what the costume. But before I put on the costume, I'm going to tell you what it's gonna be. Guys, before I put on the costume, I need some privacy to do my magic. So wait. Please, come on, costume. Don't be afraid. I'm going to be wearing you. It's here. And it's a flower costume. Before I show you wearing it, I need to tell you how I made it. First, we will start with the flower hairband. It was like this. First, I'm going to show you how to make it. Look down. Before I wear it, I need to show you how I made it. First, you need to take some yellow or any color of foam sheet. It could be any color, or you can use paper if you don't have foam sheet like me. And it could be any color, and cut it in a leaf shape of a flower. And then cut a lot of them and stick them together. But first, you need to take them when you cut them all. Then you take a hairband. It could be any kind of hairband, actually any. And you just stick them all on their hairband. And when you're done, you use any kind of paper. It is brown, and you cut it in this shape. And then stick it like I did on this hairband and the flower shape patterns. And then you need to add a rope on the hairband, so you can also tie it from here so it don't fall off every time. And then you wear it and you become a flower, but not just yet. You also need leaves. So you can be a flower. To make leaf, you need to get a paper of green. You need a foaming sheet. It has to be green. You can choose any color for flower, but not any color for the leaf because the leaves are green. You need foam sheet, or you can even use paper, and then cut a leaf like this out of the foaming sheet or the paper, and then cut a long, not too long like this, a paper sheet or a foaming sheet like this, in this shape, in a long rectangular shape. And after that, stick it like this. This leaf I did, stick it like this, and then you will have a handle so you can put your arms through it. And do the same with the other leaf. And then you have your flower costume, and you can wear any kind of cute dress or shirt, pants to really make it like a flower costume. But this is the sunflower, and you can wear it in any school function. If you want to take cute pictures but you don't have a Snapchat filter, you can take it by putting this on, and you look so cute. And also this is so cute, and you can wear it so many times. But you have to take care of it because the foam might break like the paper. Take it care really good. And now is the time to put it on. So before that, I have to take off my wings, and No, I don't have to take off my wings because I only have to wear it on my hand and my hairband. So before that, I have to take off my hairband, my hairband, and I have to wear this hairband. I have to be really gentle as you. Sorry guys, I wear it the wrong way. It's hard. Hey! I think now it's better. It's hard. Let me put my hair aside so I can put it on easily. Help! So now I almost put it on. Let me put it on. I don't have to tie the rope here so everybody can see it. You can tie it on the back of your hair so nobody can see it. And then you put on the leaves. I have to take them off. Then I put on the leaves. I can put on my bracelet back. This one goes on this hand. There you go. I did it. Another one too. Be careful with them because they're be really careful with them. So they're really gentle. Be really gentle. And then put them on like me. Wow, they look so nice. And I have a dance for you. I'm a flower. I have my place on the ground. I'm in the grass. I smell so nice. The girls like me. I'm in any color, like yellow, like pink, in any color. And I can also be rainbow sometimes. I be on the ground all the time. Sometimes I be on the ground. It really happy to grow me. And all of us plant have people to survive and breathe. We have our place in the floor or in the grass, or some people buy us, and I'm also in different shapes and shades. I am like a white flower. If we blow that white flower, I spread all over the place. And I am in different names, but I am a sunflower now. So I hope you like my song, and I hope you even like the video. Subscribe to my channel. And by the way, and also, did you like my craft of this beautiful flower costume? And did you also like this video? If you did, then subscribe to my channel, ding, and like to my channel, ding, and press the bell icon, ding. Oh wait. Oh, it's still here. So I was saying, so every time I upload a new video, you can have the notification